Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Muhammad Asif Raza, and in today's video I'm going to summarize that 1 hour 37-minute video on the topic origin of AC into a short video. So the story starts with Mr. Tesla visiting Mr. Thomas Edison all the way from France to America just to see Mr. Thomas Edison for the financial assistance of his project of alternating current. So just to get that financial assistance, as Mr. Thomas Edison was already a successful entrepreneur due to his project of direct current power station. That's why Nikola Tesla visited all the way from France to America just to see Mr. Thomas Edison and sharing his idea of alternating current, that how it can save a lot of money by transmitting electrical power through just one generating station over a long distance of about 160 kilometers. So that was his idea and he presented that idea, but unfortunately Thomas Edison didn't like that idea and he thinks that this idea is not practical enough to be implemented. Well, Mr. Nikola Tesla didn't give up and he started working as a laborer and started digging holes. There was a man named Mr. Robert Johnson. Mr. Robert Johnson was the colleague or employee of Mr. Thomas Edison. Mr. Robert Johnson offered a job to Tesla while he was digging a hole and doing the labor. But Mr. Tesla denied to work with Mr. Robert Johnson because Mr. Tesla thinks that he will not going to be work permanently, and that would be unfair to Mr. Robert Johnson. So that's why Tesla didn't accepted the offer from Mr. Robert Johnson. There was a guy named Mr. Brown who gave that proposal to Mr. Tesla and offering $30,000 to Mr. Tesla for his project of alternating current, and Mr. Tesla accepted that. And from that, Tesla was much more confident because he got that one investment of $30,000. And then when he made that alternating current motor and then presented that in a conference, and everyone was really surprised, and Mr. Thomas Edison was also in that conference, and Mr. Thomas Edison didn't like that idea at all. He thinks that this idea is not practical, and Mr. Thomas Edison was so against alternating currents that he decided to do an experiment of alternating current on a dog in front of a lot of people, and by gathering a lot of people and then showing that how dangerous is alternating current, he decided to kill a dog. On that conference there was a man, Mr. George Westinghouse. Mr. George Westinghouse really liked the idea of Tesla, so he decided to set up on a dinner with Tesla. And during their dinner, they talk about their project on alternating current. And Mr. George Westinghouse was so convinced with the idea of Mr. Tesla that he decided to invest $1 million on the project of Mr. Tesla. And that's how Tesla get the financial support of the project. And then that practical implementation was provided by Mr. JP Morgan. So that was the story. I tried to just sum it up. So please feel free to share your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. And if I missed any point, you can just share that in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.